In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Made in China app to the latest version. Now, by updating your Made in China app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to get an app that is much secure than before. You'll also be able to fix errors or any bugs that are associated with the older version of Made in China app. So to get started, you need to go ahead and access the app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for this app in my Google Play Store. To do that, just go ahead and look for Play Store, and here's my Play Store, and then just search for Made in China. And you can see my Made in China app is here. I'll go ahead and tap on it. As you can see, currently there is an update, meaning I've been using an outdated version of Made in China B2B trading online app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Made in China B2B app and then install it on my smartphone. Now, once the installation is done, you will have the latest version of Made in China B2B trade online app. You can now proceed and tap open to start using the latest version of this app. So that's how you update your Made in China app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.